Good morning, class. I am Miss Merriman, and I'm so excited to be here with you today to share this lesson. I hope that you're ready to take a trip because that is exactly what we will be doing. We will be going around the world. We will meet many cultures and nations, and we will learn about the world around the time of the 1400s. Today, we will be discussing the rivers, bodies of waters, and the oceans of the world. Some of these we may know, and some may be new to you. But let's recap and go over them because they play an important role in the civilizations of the world and trade routes. And plus, water sustains all living creatures. The first on our list is the cradle of civilization itself. The four main river valleys were the center of it all began: Egypt and the Nile River Valley, the Tigris and Euphrates River Valley, Indus River Valley of India, and the Hongli Valley of China. Okay, we are going to locate major cities of the world, key world nations, the world's continents and oceans, and major topographical features of the world. The Nile River in Africa is an unending source of sustenance. It played a crucial role in the development of Egyptian civilization. The ancient Egyptians cultivated and traded wheat, flax, peppers, and other crops around the Nile. Wheat was crucial in the famine plagued Middle East. This trading system secured Egypt's diplomatic relationships with other countries and contributed to economic stability. Next, the Tigris River forms the border for Syria and Turkey. Baghdad is built on the banks of the Tigris. The waters are used to irrigate the semi desert areas of Turkey and Iraq, which are next to the Tigris River Valley. Mesopotamia is the cradle of civilization, surrounded by four countries: Iran, Iraq, Turkey, and Syria. The Tigris River is the second largest river in Western Asia. With the Euphrates River, it makes up a river system that borders Mesopotamia in the area called the Fertile Crescent. The Tigris and Euphrates run parallel to each other and join and then empty into the Persian Gulf. The Tigris River is found in Iraq and Western Asia. The Euphrates is the longest river in Western Asia and it flows through Syria and Iraq. The Indus River in western Tibet, as well as in Pakistan and next to the Arabian Sea. The northern part of the Indus Valley forms the Punjab region of South Asia. The Indus River provides key water resources to the Pakistan economy, especially the breadbasket of Punjab province, which accounts for most of the nation's agriculture production. The ultimate source of the Indus River is in Tibet, Pakistan, and India. The major cities of Indus Valley civilizations is Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. The lower basin of the Indus forms a natural boundary between the Iranian plateau and the Indian subcontinent. This region embraces all or parts of the Pakistani provinces. The Honghe Valley is the birthplace of Chinese civilization. The Yellow River is the second largest river in China and one of the longest river systems in the world. The Yellow River is known as the Mother River. The valley surrounds the principal river of northern China and is at the center of Chinese history. The Yellow River is called this because of the silt in the river. When it flooded, it would leave behind a yellow tint. Yuan dynasty was able to create systems to control the flooding of the river, solidifying their rule of China, and several dynasties headquartered in the region following. The valley became the center of Chinese culture, society, and learning. Next, we are going to take a trip around the globe in a boat or on an ocean liner or the Polar Express to visit Santa and the North Pole. Why not? It's Christmas. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean of the five oceans on the planet Earth. It is the location of the North Pole. It is surrounded by land masses of Eurasia and North America and is distinguished by the cover of ice. Lands in it and adjacent to it include Point Barrow in Alaska, the Arctic Archipelago, Greenland, and northern Siberia. How about visiting some polar bears and penguins at the opposite pole in the Southern Ocean and Antarctica? The Southern Ocean is bigger than the Arctic Ocean, and it encloses Antarctica in the middle of it and the South Pole. This ocean is also ice, but it is more unstable. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean, covering 19.8% of the Earth's surface. It is bordered by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, and Australia to the east. To the south, it is bordered by the Southern Ocean. The Indian Ocean covers 27,240,000 square miles, including the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf, but excludes the Southern Ocean. In contrast to the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean is enclosed by major land masses and an archipelago on three sides and does not stretch pole to pole. It is centered in the Indian Peninsula. Although this subcontinent has played a significant role in its history, the Indian Ocean has foremostly been a cosmopolitan stage linking regions by innovations, trades, and religion since early human history. The Atlantic Ocean covers 20% of Earth's surface. It is known to separate the world of the Old World of Africa, Europe, and Asia from the New World of the Americas in the European perception of the world. The Atlantic Ocean occupies and elongates S-shaped basin extending longitude between Europe and Africa to the east, and North and South America to the west. It is connected in the north to the Arctic Ocean, to the Pacific Ocean in the southwest, the Indian Ocean in the southeast, and the Southern Ocean in the south. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of Earth's five oceanic divisions. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean or Antarctica in the south, and it is bordered by the continents of Asia and Oceania in the west and the Americas in the east. It covers 46% of Earth's water surface. Now that we have discovered the oceans, shall we go back to the mainland and see what we can explore there? Let's check out some of the seas now. The Black Sea is a marginal Mediterranean Sea of the Atlantic Ocean, lying between Europe and Asia, east of the Balkans, south of the East European Plain, west of the Caucasus, and north of Anatolia. It is bordered by Bulgaria, Georgia, not the Georgia in the United States, Romania, Russia, Turkey, and Ukraine. The Black Sea is supplied by the rivers Danube, Dnieper, and Don. I'm hoping I pronounced those right, but I probably didn't. And consequently, while 6 countries have a coastline on the sea, its drainage basin includes parts of 24 countries in Europe. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest inland body of water. It lies between Europe and Asia, east of the Caucasus Mountains, west of the broad steppe of Central Asia, south of the fertile plains of southern Russia, and Eastern Europe. and north of the mountainous Iranian plateau of Western Asia. It covers 143,550 square miles. It is bordered by Kazakhstan to the northeast, Russia to the northwest, Azerbaijan, I probably murdered that, I probably did not pronounce that right, to the southwest, Iran to the south, and Turkmenistan to the southeast. I know I did that one wrong too. Its main freshwater inflow is Europe's longest river, the Volga. The Red Sea is a seawater inlet of the Indian Ocean. Lying between Africa and Asia, its connection to the ocean is in the south through the Bab al Mandab Strait and the Gulf of Aden. To its north lies the Sinai Peninsula, the Gulf of Aqaba, and the Gulf of Suez. The Red Sea is bordered by 6 countries. On the eastern shore by Saudi Arabia and Yemen. It's bordered on the western shore by Egypt, Sudan, and the Somalian land is a territory of the Red Sea. Okay, class, this is it for today's lesson. Tomorrow we will go over mountain ranges and some cultures and nations. Don't forget to go to Google Classroom and find assignments and notes from today's lesson. I have posted a book trailer of some books that can show you more about each topic we've covered today. I also added a Symbaloo that has different websites to visit and browse. Let's have some more fun traveling the world this semester. Have a great day. Africa and visit Namibia and Zambia. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my! Bears aren't common in Africa. Why? You ever take a stroll in a fur coat in really hot weather? No, a bear wouldn't want to do it either. Okay, now let's get back to the song. So many places to go. And we can start with Niger. But in Burundi and Botswana.